Hi guys. So in today's class we are going to see how we can set segments. I hope you know what is meant by segment. We are going to what you can see is a Google segment here. So in this segment how we can add another segment or how we can compare. So we had we had given an intro about segment before. So we'll go into segment. In order to create segment, what we need to do is we need to click on add segment. Then for example, go into one segment mobile traffic. When you select that, go to apply. So what you can see here is one orange color middle lining you can see. So that is mobile traffic. So this line is mobile traffic, what they have shown. So if we check in the site, there are 7,040 users and 5,698 have used their mobile to get into our site. So average session per session, page viewers, bounce rate, all using the phone, how they have reached our site is shown here. If you want to remove this, you can click here and remove this one. So this is how we can remove segments. Then we can add another segment now. We can change all users and give maybe current traffic or anything else from this list. Organic traffic, we can compare that. So for that we have clicked two options. So on how many segments you want to create, that is your wish. You can add, you just need to press on the plus symbol and you can add on more segments. How many have come through the direct to our sites and how through organic searches how they have come, you can see here. So here you can see this uh, it's through URL, like directly they are coming through our site, less than using Google. So 4,746 users are coming directly to our site, and the remaining 2,422 are coming through Google or other search engines coming up. So if we go down, if you scroll down, you can see the direct traffic, organic traffic, country wise, city wise, all you can define it from here. And for you, try it one by one and experiment it using this. Now we'll close this.
Avodha promise you a bright future. Learn now, pay after you land the job. Register now.